Children, let us continue the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Now let us take the sixth question. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass? First one. Second one, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So here the dimension for herbarium are given, that is for the greenhouse. So you take the solution, take the length, breadth and height of the herbarium, that is L equals 30 centimeter and B equals 25 centimeter and H equals 25 centimeter. Then area of the glass equals, take area of the glass equals that is total surface area of the cuboidal shaped greenhouse herbarium. You write that formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L, B, H are the length, breadth and height of the greenhouse, and you take that 2 into LB means L into B, that is 30 into 25 plus B into H, that is 25 into 25 plus H into L, 25 into 30. 25 into 30, that equals 2 into 30 into 25, 25 3s are 750 plus 25 25s are 625 plus again 25 3s are 75, 25 30s are 750. Then that is 2 into, what is the sum of these three? So you take one below the other, 750, 625, 750. Then it becomes 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. So you will get the sum is 2125. You take 2125. Then it becomes, again you multiply this 2 and 2125. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4250 cm square. That is the area of the glass. Here the greenhouse is made up of glass pans, that is the area of the glass used to prepare that, used to make that greenhouse herbarium. Next you take the length of the tape. Length of the tape. Length of the tape is, here you know that 4 L's are there, 4 P are there, 4 H are there. So that becomes 4 into L plus B plus H. 4 into L plus B plus H. Then that becomes 4 into L is 30, B is 25 and H is 25. 25 plus 25, that becomes 4 into 30 plus 25 is 80. So you will get 8 4s are 32, 320 cm. That is the length of the tape. Because herbarium is in the shape of cuboid, then you have to take the length of 4L, 4B, 4H. So that is the total perimeter of the total length of the edges of the greenhouse. So that is equals to, that is the length of the tape equals 4 into L plus B plus H, that equals, you got 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25, and that is nothing but 4 into 80, then you will get 320 centimeter. Now the 7th question. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension 25 cm, 20 cm, 5 cm, and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm, 12 cm, and 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 cm square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Here the dimension of the bigger box is given and also dimension of the smaller box is given. And we have to find the total surface area of the smaller size box and also total surface area of the bigger size box, and together with that we have to find the area for all the overlaps, that is 5% of the total surface area of the small size box and also 5% of the total size of the bigger size box, and that we have to add the total area. Then with the cost rupees 4 for 1000 cm square, we have to find out the cost of the cardboard for total area. So let us do one by one. First you write dimension for bigger box. Solution, write dimension for bigger box. Let us find the total surface area of the bigger size box. That is L equals how much? 25, B equals 20 centimeter and H equals 5 centimeter. L equals, you write 25 centimeter, B equals 20 centimeter and H equals 5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the bigger size box. TSA of bigger size box. TSA of bigger size box, that equals 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. That equals 2 into L is 25 into B 20 plus B into H, that is 20 into, you write here 20 into 5 centimeter plus 5 into 25, that is LB BH plus HL. That equals 2 into 25 into 20. 25 to the 50, that is 500, and 25 is a 100 plus 25 5 is a 125. That equals 2 into. So find the sum of these three. That is 500, 100, 125. So you will get 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. 725, you will get 725. 25, then that equals 2 into 725, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, and 2 7s are 14. You got 1750. 1750 cm square is the total surface area of bigger size box. And next let us take the dimension for smaller box. Dimension for smaller box. So then what are the dimension for the smaller box? 15, 12, 5. So write L equals 15 centimeter and B equals 12 centimeter and H equals 5 centimeter. 15, 12, 5. Then you write total surface area of the smaller size box. So write TSA of the smaller size box. TSA of smaller size box, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then you write 2 into L into B is 15 into 12 plus B into H is 12 into 5 plus H into L is 5 into 12. That equals 2 into 15 into 12. 12 5s are 60 and 12 1s are 12 plus 6 180 plus 12 5s are 60, again 12 5s are 60, 12 15s are, here it is L is 5 into 15 because L is 15, 5 into 15, H into L, 15 5s are 70, 15 5s are 75 centimeter square. It becomes 2 into, then find the sum of these three, 180 plus 60 plus 75, that is 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 21, you will get 315. Then you write 315 cm square, and 2 into 3 and 5, that is 2 5s are 10, 1 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 and 2 3s are 6, 630 cm square. Therefore here you got area of the smaller box. Then area of the overlaps, here find the sum of these two, that is total area of both the boxes, or sum of total area of small and big, or you write bigger and smaller boxes. That is what 1450 plus 630, that becomes 2080 cm square. And for the overlap 5% is required, so area for the overlaps you take, area for overlap, that is 5% of total area 2080, that equals what, 5 by 100 into 5% means 5 by 100, 5 by 100 into 2080, then it becomes 0 0 cancels, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 2 1s are 2 1s are, 2 0s are 2 4, so it becomes 104 cm square, 104 cm square. Then totally it is how much it becomes, the total surface area of both the boxes and area of overlap. So TSA of both boxes and area of overlap. Area of overlap that equals 2080 plus how much? 104 that equals 2184 cm square. Now how many boxes are ordered here? Totally how many boxes? 250 boxes of each kind. So total area becomes this into 250. So you write. Then you take TSA of 250 boxes equals, that is 2184 into 250. Now let us find the total cost of this, and the rate is given. Rate is rupees 4 for 1000 cm square. So that becomes, therefore total cost of cardboard equals what? 2184 into 250 into 4 rupees for 1000. Then cancel 0 0, 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 4 cancels. Then what is the amount remaining here? That is rupees 2184. This is the total amount for the cardboard which is required to prepare 250 boxes of two sizes. Now the question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 m with the base dimensions 4 m into 3 m? Now let us write the solution. Write the dimension of the shelter. So write dimension of shelter. L is what? L is 4 meter. That is, it is said that the L is 4 meter and B is 3 meter and height is 2.5 m. So L is, you write 4 meter and B is 3 meter, and then also H is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. Then this tarpaulin. Now here there is no base for the tarpaulin, only upper base and the 4 sides. So the surface area of the tarpaulin becomes surface area of tarpaulin equals 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, but here only 1 LB. LB plus 2 BH plus 2 HL, because only one upper base we have to take, lower base is not there, therefore you write only LB. Then L is what? Length is 4, B is 3, plus 2 into B is 3, H is 2.5, plus 2 into H is 2.5, and L is 4. That equals 4 3s are 12, plus 2 3s are 6, 6 into 2.5. So you know that 2.5 into 2 is 5, 5 3s are 15, plus then again you can have 2 into 2.5 is 5, 5 4s are 20. Then it becomes how much? You know that 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 12 is 47. So you write that is 47 cm square.